these are my wife. These are my luggage.
And these are my 25 children.
She was shocked actually about like Muslim culture. She asked me about like is it right like the Muslim they can have like four wives? I told her yeah, it's all okay.
You
she,
know what?
she
I don't know why people are so shocked about that. Like, what's the big deal? It used to happen all the time, you know? It just changed like what, 200-300 years ago. Calm down.
because she thought like wow, you like um, unfairness, the wife, the woman, like why would you have like other three wives, one, and you have like one wife. So I have to explain the reasons,
Yeah,
for her. Many like, and these culture differences,
I
you
know.
know
They won't
yeah. So
understand. Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
so I speak with her about this stuff.
Okay. Um, I always feel so cornered, like when I have to speak to someone that is a non-Muslim about issues like this. I feel so
Yeah,
cornered, like I'm not going to be able to explain it correctly. They're going to hate Islam, you know? So I don't know
yeah.
what to do in situations like that.
Yeah, because they see like this stuff. Wow, it sounds like weird for them.
Yeah.
So I have to explain the reasons. So I told her like, okay, I will explain to you. Like, we have the reasons. What if like the wife, she cannot like give birth?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so maybe in America we'll like leave her and marry another one. She
Yeah.
said yes, probably. And I told her no. We will keep the first wife and we
Yeah.
will like remarry another wife in
Yeah.
order to get like
Carry
kids.
on your heritage. Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So she said, "Wow, yeah." And
Yeah.
another reason, and I know this stuff, but I have no idea about it. So I Google it, okay, quickly. Because
Okay.
I'm not like a religion. What do you
You're
call
not
it?
very religious?
Not religion man. I
Religious.
have religious man. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
She said something about religious man. She said cleric, I guess.
Mimic?
Cleric, cleric.
Cleric.
Yeah, cleric.
Cleric. Okay.
CLE, cleric. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
It's also like
Yeah, like a
religious
more
man.
religious. Yeah.
Can I say cleric? The people they will understand me, or I
No,
say
don't say it like that because it's not commonly used. You can
uh
say
huh,
like, more religious people or religious people. You're not as religious as some people, you can say.
So I use like religious
The word
man,
religious.
or
Yeah.
yeah. It's
Yeah.
more easy, more than cleric,
More common.
more common. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Uh,
And the other reason
yeah.
to be able to spread Islam, right?
Oh, okay. For example, if yeah, if like if a wife like she is become a widow,
Mm-hmm.
so I can marry her again.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
because no one maybe will like uh, marry a widow. So
Yeah.
so that's the second reason.
Yeah.
No, like many reasons.
Yeah, yeah, many reasons. You're a Muslim woman and she's whatever, you want to help her, so you make her Muslim, you marry her, you spread
Yeah.
Islam. So many reasons, lots of reasons. I agree with all of them, but only because I have to. I don't think it's cool to take so many wives. But I agree.
Yeah.
I mean, I agree with you because
Yeah, in some cases, you have to like remarry.
Yeah, of course.
For example, like in my case, like my wife in a good health, and she got me 3 kids,
Yeah.
so I am
Yeah.
okay with that. But and with another cases, the people they have to remarry because of these reasons.
Right. And also, your first wife has to be okay. Did you explain that part to her? Your first wife has to agree to the
Yeah,
second.
I told her. Yeah, I
Oh,
told her like I have to ask her permission
yeah.
before I get married,
Yeah.
and she told me, okay, okay, that's okay. What about like the house? Do you like what do you call it?
Separate. Separate
Yeah,
houses.
yeah. It's not. They will not live in the same house.
Yeah.
She said, and I have to be like equal between them,
Yeah.
between each other.
Hmm.
So if I give her like a car, I have to give her another wife, okay, a
Yeah.
car. She said,
Yeah.
oh, and she said, oh wow.
Yeah. So you have to be like really well off to be able to
Yeah,
have a second or third or fourth.
yeah.
You know?
Not like someone broke and who want
Yeah.
to marry
Yeah.
more
Yeah.
than 3 wives.
Yeah. Yeah. Those are people. That's for the wrong reasons.
Yeah. What
Um.
about there in Turkey? Is it common to have more than one
I
wife?
I think it's illegal here.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
not legal, but it's common. Is it common
No, it's illegal here.
in Istanbul, in Turkey?
As far as I know, yeah, right?
Hmm. Yeah, well, Turkey is a Muslim country, so it's
Yeah, but
legal.
it's secular.
What does it mean of secular?
Uh, um, the government and religion are separate.
Separated.
Yeah. So wait a minute, I'm going to look that up. Polygamy is illegal. How do you spell illegal?
Illegal.
Illegal. I got it. In Turkey. Turkey is a predominant Muslim nation that has abolished polygamy. Yeah. Not since 1926. In 1926, it became illegal polygamy. See, that's what I thought. It's Ataturk. Ataturk did it. Yes.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
mean, it does happen in the villages, but it's not legal. Only just through the imam, not on paper.
Not like in the court.
Illegal. Yeah.
So illegal.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I understand.
But what if you get married somewhere else? Like, for example, you go to, I don't know, Saudi Arabia, you get married to like 4 women, and then you want to move to Turkey. What happens? Is it recognized? I wonder.
like these are my wife. These are my luggage.
And these are my 25 children.
Yeah.
They're all mine.
My my family, it's like a tribe.
Literally.
Yeah.
Crazy. No way, I can't.
COVID symptoms.
Oh no, you're still coughing?
No.
Oh, okay.
But I just woke up like an hour ago.
Oh, you did? Oh my God, so late. Really early.
I stayed up. At 4 a.m.
Oh,
Yeah, and
because you're Arab.
because what?
Because you're Arab. All Arabs stay up that late.